That is not your food. Hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Akela and I just arrived in Kanab, Utah. I planned to travel here to do two things specifically. The first one being Best Friends Animal Sanctuary. I have wanted to volunteer there for many, many years, so I am going to volunteer tomorrow. They placed me in Cat World, so I'll be spending a lot of my time with cats. We're heading like an hour out of town to get to our campsite for the night. Unfortunately, there's nothing closer for you know, cheap or free camping. So I'm going to finish putting away the last few things and then we are going to hit the road. This place is awesome. Akela, are we getting about 5 or 5:30? I need to leave here by 6:30. We'll compromise, let's say 5:15. Tomorrow morning is going to be cold. As long as it's not under 20, I'll be fine. Oh, that is hilarious because it's supposed to be 21 degrees. Little pro tip here, I do this when I'm backpacking. Sleeping not in, but with the clothes that you want to wear the next day. So in the mornings, when it's freezing outside, you're not putting on freezing clothes, which then just make you more cold. This is gonna be great. Good morning. It's cold out there. I know for a fact that Akela is not gonna get up right now. You can see her little butt poking up. Say good morning. Let me take you dancing. And this, my friends, is why I love my insulated coffee press. Because it's cold. And my coffee will not be cold. It's so beautiful out here. Look at that. This is so cool. What is more fun than playing by a river in the sand under the moon? Sweet cool drinking. And we have arrived, but now I have to find Cat World. Okay, where is Cat World? I'm making a lot of friends. Hello. Feeding time. Dexter and I are on a stroller ride. He is loving it. And he's literally just in the stroller and I'm pushing him around these trails. I know, it couldn't get any better, huh? Have you heard about the latest thing? Everybody's jacking in. Do you want a big white sister? I know, I smell like cats, huh? She probably thinks I was cheating on her. I wasn't cheating on you. So I just got done with my first shift. This place is so cool. It is like a little town. Like this sanctuary is like a little town. And there's Cat World and Horse Haven and Dog Something. I've been doing a lot of cleaning and walking cats in strollers. But if you are looking at volunteering here, you give them like your top 3 animal places that you want to volunteer in, and they try to match you with those animals. I just told them to send me wherever needed the most help, or if there's a place that, you know, didn't get as much love, to send me there. So I ended up in Cat World. The woman that I'm working with bought me lunch, which is like so sweet. And it's black bean enchiladas. And I'm really excited about it. Usually it's a buffet, but because of COVID, obviously they're just packaging things. This place is awesome. Well, I just left Cat World and said my goodbyes. I cannot say enough amazing things about this place. I knew that it was gonna be cool. I'm in her way. I was literally parked on the left side of the road. Okay. The people here are absolutely incredible. They care so much about these animals. These animals love these people. It's so amazing. This is where I want to live. Like as a cat. I'd live here as a human. I am going to put their link below, and if you are inspired to donate, please do. She does wish that she could meet the cats as well. The issue with that is Akela likes to play with kitties with her mouth, and that's never a good thing. As of right now, the plan is just to return to the same campsite so that tomorrow we can get on the road, come back to Kanab, and put our name in to hike the wave. There's like a certain amount of people selected each day. I really want to be picked. And there's nothing I can do other than putting my name in at 8:30 tomorrow morning.
Do you want to get up? Okay, we can get up.
Today is the day where we put in for the lottery. We're just gonna, between 8:30 and 9, I need to be at a specific location to put my name in for the lottery to hike the wave. So it's super regulated, and many people never get the chance to hike it. And I don't want to be one of those. Today is Wednesday, and I'm hoping that because it's Wednesday, most people aren't going to be trying to hike the wave. So Wednesday in March feels like maybe I'll have a better opportunity. We will see, right, Akela? All right, I got my coffee, I got my dog, got my van. That's all I need, you know what I'm saying? Wish me luck. I'm number 48. There's a lot of people here. Look at this. Linnea Schmelzer. One more. Nope. Akela, I lost. Wow, there were 53 people in there. That's a lot of people. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I'm really disappointed, and also it makes sense because there were over 50 people there and they pulled 4 numbers. So my odds were not good. Here are a few things that I need to get done today. I really need to wash my hair. It's been a while. So, 2, I want to harvest and make a spoon. I haven't done that in so long. Yeah? Do you want to help me cut down a juniper branch? Okay then, well let me change my clothes and then we'll head out. Sound good? Okay, great. This saw is freaking great. Check this out. So the blade is protected when it's put away. How sick is this, right? Hook's kind of in here, and then it snaps down. Super sturdy, really lightweight. It's like one of the coolest tools I own. I'll link it below if you want it. There's a guy that's walked back and forth from his car to the trail 3 times. And I know that he can see me. Got it! Hi, sweetie. Stop. Stop.
It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
This is where I'm at. It's been a long time since I've whittled a spoon.
I know you tried so hard.
If you have never experienced what it's like to wash your hair after days of camping, it is one of the most amazing feelings ever. Is this the same guy? And I'm just gonna go. I don't feel super comfortable with what's going on. It doesn't look like he's a camper. This is just one of those things that I think is really important, to trust your gut and be aware. And I would love to stay here tonight, and I just don't want to be on edge. I also don't want to put me, or especially Akela, in a situation that would not benefit us. So, just playing it smart. I know Akela, she thinks we're going like somewhere, like on an adventure, because I'm packing things in the van. So she just thinks we're having a grand old time. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave. So the guy came back for a 4th time. I don't want to leave and then him follow me, so I'm waiting here, but he's not leaving his vehicle. I wonder if I left anything at the campsite. Good morning. This is day 2 of the wave lottery. Wish me luck. I'm number 50. There's 59 people here. Oh, he said 15. I thought he said 50. Well, Akela and I are going to return to where creepy guy was last night because I left her bowl there. I wonder if I left anything at the campsite. Yes! Akela, your bowl's right here. Yes! I got your bowl back. Day 3. I'm trying to get to the wave. Today it is like super packed. There are tons of people here. Yesterday a couple pulled up next to me to camp, and this morning when I left to come here and put my name in, I asked them, hey, do you just, like, if you're interested in doing the wave, I can just put your names on my application, and then if I get it, you get it, you know? And so I'm gonna add their names to my application, and maybe that will just be the luck I need. Okay, so along with the 2 people from the campground, I just met Kate, and so what's up? We added her name, and also I'm number 99 today, so odds are not good.
Number 51. Number 92.
My heart's saying. Last one. Come on.
118.
Damn. There were over 100 people there today. It was insane. And we didn't get picked, Akela. We did not get picked. But I met Kate and she's awesome. So we are going to link up next week and put in together again. No wave for the next few days. But there is an awesome hike that I do have planned. Well, Akela and I might not have been able to hike the wave this week, but we are going to be scouting this canyon. Akela, this way. So right now she's trying to run up ahead because she made friends with the neighbor dog, the same couple, Matt and Emily. Now Akela's like best buds with them and she just wants to go and hike with them. They left a little bit before we did. She was trying to run up to meet them. Akela, come. You're ridiculous. What are you doing? Akela has her nice little cooling vest on. We are scouting this because hopefully when my brother comes into town next week, I can get us a permit to hike the entire canyon, which is 38 miles long. That would be awesome. Well, she got what she wanted. Her friends are back.
Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things.
And we're back. We had a lot of fun. A lot of fun with your friends, huh? The sun has just barely rose, so it is right in my eyes. I'm not complaining though. Well, I hope that you enjoyed watching the adventures that did happen this week, as well as the adventure attempts. And even though I didn't get to hike the wave, I had so much fun at Best Friends, and I'm really excited to go volunteer again. I've also been meeting the coolest people, like Matt and Emily and their dog Durango, and Kate, and Noah is on his way and should be here today. Which brings me to my last piece, which is that I scored a permit for doing overnights in this canyon, all 38 miles of it. So Noah and I are planning that backpacking trip, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. It's so fun being in an area and meeting people and learning things, and then finding out that there is just so much to do in one area. So even though I was only planning on being here for like 5 days, it's gonna be stretched into like 2.5 weeks. So you will just have to stick around and see if I ever get a permit to the wave, and you'll have to watch Noah and I hike those 38 miles of this beautiful canyon, because I will definitely be sharing. But for now, I am going to walk this beautiful river with Akela and drink my morning coffee, and we will see you next week.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.